Today we will foam roll our hip flexors. First, find a place where you can lay prone on the ground. You're going to take this foam roller and place it at a 45-degree angle in your hip flexor area, just at that crease where your thigh meets your hip bones. Now, roll over that crease very gently back and forth. You might feel a little bit of a bump if there is any inflammation, but you can also rotate the roller so it is perpendicular right over that hip joint and just roll back and forth over the area for 2 to 5 inches. Go slowly, breathe deeply, relax into the compression, and if you feel any tightness, you can roll over that spot, back and forth, focusing on that pain point. The key here is to take it slow and to find a place of relaxation. Curious how bad tomorrow's gonna hurt? The muscle soreness predictor at 321strong.com gives you a real forecast before you train.